This is an instructional video showing how to use the DinoCapture software with your DinoLite microscope camera. To open the software in Windows, double-click on this icon. In Vista, there's an error message that may pop up. To avoid this, right-click on the icon and select Run as Administrator. First, we'll cover some of the icons that you see in this window. In the center is your active image. If you don't see an image, if it looks like this, the drivers may be loading or the USB connection may be loose. On the left are the images that have been taken and saved to the current folder. To change folders, click on this three-dot button and select from the list of recently accessed folders, or select a different folder or make a new folder. Or go to File, select Saving Folder. On the left, there are icons for taking a picture, recording a video, recording a time-lapsed video, saving a picture, or sending a picture as an attachment in your email. On the right, there are icons for controlling microtouch, controlling the built-in LED lights, minimizing the software, going to full screen with the software, which can also be done by using the F10 key, or exiting the software. There's an exposure adjustment bar at the bottom of the screen, and this is the default button. Most of the cameras can optically magnify from 10x to 220x. This is 20x, this is 50x, this is 200x. To digitally magnify, use the scroll wheel on the mouse. There are several ways to take a picture using the microscope camera. First, use this icon. Second, try the F11 key on the keyboard. Third, left-click in the active window. You can also use hardware triggers like the microtouch button or an accessory foot pedal. Your pictures will appear on the left. The original file is a 1.3 megapixel bitmap image, but with our software, you can also save it as a JPEG. First, select the image you want to save by left-clicking on it once. Now click on the Save button above the pictures. Choose the image pixel size you'd like to save it at, and select OK. Save the image wherever you like as a JPEG or a bitmap. To open the images that are collected on the left, double-click on the thumbnail. This is convenient for side-by-side viewing. The plus and minus button will give you a larger or smaller view. You can also open multiple images. Each image has a time and date stamp on it, as well as the file name. The file name consists of the folder name, the sequential order of the images, the date, and the time. When the image is active, you'll see this white bar appear that allows you to type notes. These notes are viewable in the taskbar. There are several ways to modify the image using the software. Go to Setting, Real-Time Image Setting, and mirror the image, flip the image, adjust the brightness and contrast, or change the color features. Once a picture has been taken, there are text and drawing tools that can be used. Here's an image showing some of the text options available. To add text, click on the T button and click on Text. Place your cursor and begin typing. To make changes to that text, click on the T button, Text Properties, and change the color or change the font. Here's an example of some of the drawing tools that are available: line, arrow, freestyle, rectangle, or ellipse. There are different line thicknesses and color options. To place something using the drawing tool, click on the diagonal line button, choose your option, and click, click, there's your feature. Many of the digital microscopes are internally calibrated to make measurements on the images. To make a measurement, first, take a picture. Open the picture by double-clicking. Type in the magnification off the side of the microscope. Go to this button, the measurement button. Your choices include line, continuous line, polygon, radius circle, diameter circle, 3-point circle, 3-point arc, 3-point angle, 4-point angle. You can change the line and text properties like with the drawing and text tools, and you can change the units from millimeters to microns to mils to inches. To make a measurement, click on the measurement button, select the feature you'd like to measure. We'll do a line. Pick a point, use the parallel lines as your guide. The value will flash until you place it. The measurement can be calibrated on these microscopes. Click on the measurement button, select calibration. Please take a measurement on the calibration standard. OK. Click on a point. Click on a point. Tell it the actual dimension. For this example, we'll say that the actual dimension is 1.6 millimeters. OK. And if you look at the top, you can see that the magnification has been adjusted to account for our calibration. Other software features can be found by using the drop-down menus. Setting Crossline. OK. We'll place a cross line on your image to help you orient your subject. Setting Microtouch setting will allow you to control the microtouch feature, disable, one touch, or double touch. You can choose to pause real-time image by microtouch instead of taking a picture. To change the image resolution, go to Setting, Resolution, and select a lower resolution to increase the frame rate. The lower the resolution, the faster the frame rate. The higher the resolution, the better the image. Updates to the software are released several times a year, and they're free. Simply go to Setting, DinoCapture Auto Update. The computer will check for new updates whenever the software is open and the computer is online. Thank you for watching this video demonstration of the DinoCapture software and its applications for the DinoLite microscope cameras.